Hello friends, I hope you're doing well. In this short video, I'll guide you through the process of downloading and installing a Bluetooth driver for your Windows 10 PC. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Step 1. Open your web browser and type Bluetooth driver for Windows 10 in the search box. Then press enter. Step 2. Click on the appropriate link, which is also provided in the video description below. Step 3. Download the file labeled 64-bit Win10.exe by clicking on it. The download will begin automatically. Step 4. Once the file is downloaded, open it. Click Next to proceed through the installation steps. Be sure to check the necessary boxes as prompted, then continue clicking Next. Step 5. After the installation is complete, click on Finish. Step 6. To finalize, open this PC. Navigate to the C drive. Go to the Windows folder and locate System32. Step 7. In System32, type fsquirt in the search bar. Right-click on the file and select Send to Desktop to create a shortcut. Now, your Bluetooth driver is successfully installed. You can easily connect your Bluetooth speaker, headphones, mouse, and more to your PC. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends.